greeting markdown here. We're going to be looking at how we can format words and letter right in here. Alright, so for instance, we want to use January. So we're going to type January. So notice we have January right in here. So we want to get right down to December. But this is how you're going to do it. You're going to put the cursor right here. You're going to hold on it and just drag it down like that. Drag it down, right like that. So keep dragging it down. You notice right there, that's how you actually format it right here. So what if I do it short way? If I put JAN just like that, I'm going to do the same thing like that. I'm going to drag it down just the same. You notice we get the same stuff even if I shortcut it. What if I use a number? If I put the number right here, 1, and I drag roll on the left side of the mouse, I'm going to drag it down. You notice it's on the P one, but how can I get it into 1, 2, 3? You notice the little box right at the side here, you notice the little pointer here, the autofill option. You're going to click it. When you click it, what you say, copy cell, fill series, fill formatting only, fill without formatting, and flash fill. So what we want to look at is the fill series. When I click on flash series, you notice it changed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, look at it now. So I'm going to try it again. I want to drag it down. Just like that. Hold on, let me do it manually. Let me type 2 right here, 3, come down. You go, so this one work. Right. Hold on, let me go back up, move out this one. Right, good. So now I have 1 to 2. So what I want to do, put the cursor right here, go along the side of the mouse and black these. You notice? You black it. So definitely what you want to do, you want to come right there. Now let's go back again. You black this right there, just hold on the little pointer right there, put it right at the side, you just drag it down like that. And let it go. You notice? It actually changes just the same. That's another way you can do it. Alright, so if you come right here, right, I just put 3 right inside here, and they just click back over here. You just come right here and just black it like that. Hold a minute, let me clear that. Alright, and then you're just gonna black it like that. They're gonna put the pointer right here. Just you're gonna draw it across like that. You notice the number change across, so it doesn't matter if a letter or number you use, you see can actually change across. It's very important. So this is one way you can format words and letter right here. So what about if I type week? Alright, I'm gonna type week 1 right here. Alright, I'm gonna put the cursor right at this little dot right here. I'm gonna go to my right. Right, you notice week 1, week 2, week 3, 4. Excellent. That's exactly how you can do it. Right, so definitely let me move these a little. I'm going to show a different formatting. Alright, what if you want to add all of these come down the line? Alright, the first thing you want to do is to click right here. When you click right here, you come like this here to sum. Right, and also this like that. Good. But what if you want to calculate everything come down the line? The only thing you have to do is put the cursor right here. Just hold on the left side and just drag come all the way down. And that's it. And that's exactly how you do it. So if you have learned something from this video, just left a comment in the back, share it, and thanks for your time. See you in the next video.